Alright, we should not be live. What's going on? What's up, everybody? Hey, what's up, bud? You already here? Alright, let's see if I can make this thing work. Hey, look at that. The countdown thing works. Sweet. So now I can just go every time, just like change this around. Like reset, stop, start. Oh, sick. We can have you on the screen. Alright, perfect. Yo, Nico, what's going on, man? How you doing? What's going on? How's your day? Finders, keepers, boohoo, title case ascendant, slice and splice, falsy bouncer, where do I belong, mutation, chunky monkey. Oh wow, we got ourselves a treat. Wednesday is a day off for the GF. Oh, nice. Is that every Wednesday? Wednesdays, I do whatever the hell my girlfriend says they are. Nice, I like it. Awesome. I did see that you guys still put out a bunch of code though. Bunch of Git stories that I saw. At least Jack was, from what I saw earlier. Yeah, I saw Jack actually. Yesterday. Oh, that was yesterday. I saw something, man. Hang on. Oh man, I thought that was today. Nice, nice. No school in the afternoon, so she comes over and we cook for her family. Oh, amazing. Jack's been killing now. Alright, where were we? Connect your Spotify account to display your music status. No thanks. What do you use to stream? Do you use OBS? I'm using the Twitch's built-in stuff. Oh well, Twitch's own proprietary. It's called Twitch Studio Beta. Okay. Today's gonna be a fun one. OBS Studio 2 with NDI. Twitch Studio is amazing though. Yeah, okay, I probably need to change the color. So you see this 20-minute thing at the top? Right here somewhere? So I thought instead of using Google thing, I could just have it come down there. I don't know if it's gonna make a noise or not actually. Let's test it out. So if I made this like 3 seconds. Start. Oh. Doesn't actually make any noise. Oh well. It's still good to have it on there. 20 minutes. No, stop. Yeah, okay. Twitch Studio is amazing though. Basically, I have a double PC streaming setup. Okay. Wait, what do you mean? So you have two OBSs running at the same time? Because of the electric noise, current MacBook Pro dongle, I can't plug my capture cards. Network video protocol. Damn, that just sounds so complicated. So I capture my screens from PC, send them over to the network, and then damn. But when I watched the coding videos, you were using like a Windows setup. Mix over the mix my codes. Mainly code in Windows. Okay. Cool. "2017 profile stuff and some travel." Yeah. Fun traveling at this time, man. Alright, okay, what are we doing? We did this yesterday, function code. Off to a good start. Alright, there you go. Boohoo, boo, boo. What the hell is this? Check if a value is classified as a Boolean primitive. Return true or false. Boolean primitives are true. Boolean. Wait. I think it's just a case of if bool, then return, I don't know, true. Nope. Okay, I clearly don't understand what's going on. Got 3 screens on my Windows PC too. Yo, that's insane. Yeah, I'll show you my new. I don't know. So I got Instagram just set up. I bought this monitor. This thing, it's like an super ultra wide thing. So it's almost like a 2-monitor setup, and then I got my laptop here, where I read my chats and stuff on the bottom. But yeah, mine's like one big giant screen. So this half right now is what I'm using the code, and this half here currently there's nothing, but normally I put chat or something like that there too. Screens are small. Yeah, this isn't. It's wide and it's kind of short up top. So, but it does its job. You send me your stuff here, right? Yeah, let's see the stream can see it too. Damn. Oh wow, okay. Coding, streaming stuff, and then resources and the MVP. Yeah, that's hardcore, dude. Look at that. What is that? That PC looks. How do I? Jesus Christ, what is that? It's like custom built. Totally changed now. I'm gonna send you a current pic. Okay. Alright. So while you're doing that, oh, we need to start the timer. Hang on. Alright, start. 20-minute countdown is now starting. Custom build all my PCs. Jesus. Check if a value is classified as Boolean primitive. Wait, this should be easy, man. Okay, function boohoo that takes in a parameter, and if that parameter is Boolean, true or false, I'm gonna. Okay, what the hell is a Boolean primitive? Yeah. I mean, if bool that just means if it's true, return true. Do I need an else statement? Else. I don't know. Return false or something. Hey, that works. Oh, boohoo false should return true. Oh, I see what you, so basically, if it's either true or false, it should return true. Anything else should be false. Okay. Okay. So how do I say if it is a Boolean? Okay, maybe if bool equals true or false, maybe? Hey, look at that, almost done. We need two cases, we're not passing. Okay, what do you say? Enjoy my horrible pics. Where are we? Oh damn, that looks hardcore, man. Messy. Hey, I'm there. I'm on the screen right now. Look at that. Okay, let's open big screen. Man, that vertical setup, I think I might have to get one just for that. I don't need it right now, but once I get more Cody, I want to open. Wait, let me open everything in big. Okay. Nice lights. Okay, what is that? What is that? Jesus, that looks complicated as heck. Okay. I like the stand as well. My thing is like some cheap Amazon one. I need to change around. I also like the Logitech camera there too. I need a better quality camera. Cool. Yeah, that's sick. Yeah. Yeah, what is this, man? Yeah, this one is a Row NT1. I got 2. Okay. Yeah, mine's an NT1. It's a Rode something. I don't know what it is. It's my brother is a musician and he does songs and stuff. This is like, he upgraded his setup, so he's like, hey, do you want this? I was like, yeah, sure. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Jalipa? Welcome back. You got 2 mics. I've got the same. No, that's different. Hey, look at the time. 15 minutes. All right, very close. Maybe just equals or something. Oh, look at that. Failing ones. Oh, I think or is 2 of them, right? No, I guess it is 1. How do you do or in JavaScript? Yeah, okay, it is 2 of them. It's funny how one of them works though. If bool is equals to either true or false, return true. Or maybe we don't need the else. Oh crap. What's going on, Jalipa? Jalipapa? Man, I don't know how to pronounce Jalipapa, or is it just Joe? What's going on? Alright. What are we doing wrong here? We are very close. Why is it not liking false? Am I spelling that wrong? True. Oh. So it is a double? Okay. Takes my microphone as input, plus sends back. Oh, just double equal signs, not triple. I don't know why it doesn't like it. False, yeah, return true. Quite complicated, but Bottom was getting even bigger, better mixer. Type off, huh? Type off. Oh yeah, I remember. Oh, you can just type in Boolean. Maybe I can just go if bool equals Boolean. I'll just fix it. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. Nah. Nope. So if type of, is it dot or, yeah, type of that equals but I can't do Boolean, so oh, it needs to be in triple equals. Oh, in quotes, is that what you said? Type of is not defined. Oh, it's small o. Huh. Nice. You need to close. To type off is a function, you need to type off. Okay. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Okay, so if I don't have Boolean, it's not gonna work, right? If I don't have type off, I mean. Yeah, okay. Interesting. I learned that you can put it. You have to put it within quotes, otherwise it just thinks it's a variable. Okay. Interesting. Let's see how else they solved it. Type of get type variable. It's a function. Oh yeah, it also works as a function. Awesome. Yeah, I think that's the only solution here. Yeah, they're doing the same thing. Or you can do function, bool. Yeah, I tried that. Didn't work. Oh. Type of returns type of variable. Right. Okay, we can reset the thing now. Cool. Jalipa, I think I saw you yesterday, right? I think you started or you joined us yesterday. I don't actually. Cool, awesome, man. I don't think I actually spoke to you. So what do? You're a coder? Sounds like you know more than me for sure. Or is it like something you're learning to, or you work as a developer? Like, what's the story? Just a bit messed up. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Let's move on. That's one done already. And it's only half 12. Okay. Excuse me, why is it not working? There we go. Title, case, or sentence. Return the provided string with the first letter of each word capitalized. Make sure the rest of the word is in lowercase. For the purpose of exercise, you should capitalize connecting words like the, off. I'm a developer, but I don't have work. So you don't actually work right now, or you don't have a developer job? Alright, so... Oh yeah, I've been changing this around a little bit. Do you know what? Let's do it now. JavaScript. JavaScript logo. That looks good. Okay, cool. Take that. Icon. Oh. No. There we go. And then I think what we can do, properties, we're going to show the cover. It's just too big. Alright. Oh, I can reposition it. Awesome. Amazing. We're going to do the same thing with the rest, but that looks so much better than what it was. I also need to go through and add all of these into the CSS sections, but okay, anyway. Yeah, developer job. Okay. Yeah. Are you actively looking for one, or just chilling for now? Yeah, I'll do that. What was I doing here? Title case. I remember there was something for changing the case. Man, there's a way to do that. There's like a built-in thing. Oh, was that in the Odin project? I was reading. Maybe it was. How do I check? Yeah, so we built the Google homepage. So for those of you who don't know about this, I built a Google homepage and then did this one and then went into pre-code camp for the actual stuff. I'm pretty sure this was teaching me how to change it. I guess not. I don't know how I would do it without using like a built-in method or something. Title case JavaScript. Oh, there you go. 2 lowercase. I swear I had notes on that. Oh, there you go. There's the type of thing that you're talking about. Functions. Playing. What's factorial? Oh man, I already forgot about the regex stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna cheat. I think there's pretty sure there's a title case method in JavaScript. I could read that. To lowercase. Extract a sanction. Is there a to uppercase thing then? Nope. Whoa, okay. So they're actually using all four of those to do this, huh? So they're converting everything into lowercase, splitting it into individual elements, looks like chart, character at. Okay. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Slice method extracts a section of a string and returns a new string. Slice. Start and end. Say 1 and 3. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so if we had hello, I don't know, let's just play around. It's already in. Okay, let's do another one. String 1 equals all caps locks. Okay, let's say string 1 is hello. And if I did There is a too low. Hang on. Is that gonna do it? No. Hey, look at that. This is what we need. 2 locale uppercase. Okay, cool. I think okay, cool. So if we know this, I think we can make it work. So for example, let's no, it's not. String 1 is still. Oh well. Okay. Okay. String 1 is that. We create a variable. I don't know. Title case. Alright, whatever. We'll just create that. Title case sentence. And we'll do str1 dot 2 lowercase. So str1 equals that. So it should now be lowercase. Well, no, it's not. It's a function. Oh, do you go? So go str dot 2 lowercase. Okay, what would I put in here? Oh, I need to assign it to a variable. That's what I did though. String equals. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Str equals str dot 2 lowercase, and I need to put in one of these. Okay, okay. Alright, let's start from scratch. So if we had a string that's in all caps, for example, or it's in whatever, and then the first thing we'll do is let's just say lowercase string equals string dot two lowercase, like that. So it defines it into that, and then we're going to use the, what was it, a split method? How do you actually split it? Select array equals how do you split that first? String split. Okay, similar thing. So that should give us a nice array, but it's not. Okay. That would be a space. There we go. Okay. Okay. So now that takes that breaks it down into this, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna capitalize. So array in the 0th position dot to uppercase, right, and then okay, actually doesn't do that. So array in the 0th position equals that, maybe. So now if I go array, yeah, and then to combine it into a thing again, I go array dot join. It's joined it, but why is it joining it with it's joining it with space with the commas, okay, you need to do a push. Oh, because if you don't pass an empty string, it uses commas. See, I'm learning new stuff every day, man. Did you learn this just by doing it, or like, I'm guessing you tried it and did commas and that's how you learned it? Yeah. Okay. Cool. That's exactly what I'm seeing here too. All right. So, say because. So you should need to do a array dot push. So push. Okay, so we're back here. Well, okay, it's messed up. Yeah. Okay, so we have turned everything into a lowercase, moved it into an array, recapitalized the first letter, and now I want to get this back into a regular string. And to do that, I cannot do. So I can't do the join thing because it adds commas to it. So I'll basically push this to a new array. So say, I don't know, let array 2. Actually, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Array 2 dot push. That may not work. I probably need to define it first. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Array 2 dot push the array. Is that gonna work? Or do I have to iterate and push it one at a time? Yeah, no, that's not good. That is not good. Some of the I equals 0 I is less than array to length for each element. I think I can just go array 2 dot push. I don't know if that would work. Hello is not defined. Oh. For each is not defined. 7 to the music. All right, let's see if we can think through this and write it down. So, so step 1, we're going to convert string into a lowercase. Once that's done, we should actually split it by the space, so it converts everything into. Yeah, actually, yeah, I think that's what we should do. So we just do split the string into individual words. Basic separate by spaces, because then we can look at each of them individually, and for each word maybe. For each word, find the first letter. Oh, I guess find the first letter and convert it to capital letter. Convert it to a capital letter. Why would I use slice here? Split. I don't know, maybe slice it into individual stuff. Into single individual words, individual letters. And then step 5 is join them all back together to become a string. Yeah, I think that could work. Alright, let's see if we can just figure this out. So boom, convert string to lowercase. Alright, let lowercase equals str dot lowercase Oh, two lowercase. Yeah, okay. So that's step 1. Step 2 would be take lowercase and split it. So lowercase now equals, we probably shouldn't call it lowercase. Text conversion maybe. And then text conversion equals text conversion dot split. I want to split it by a space, right? Okay. Okay, I think we need 4. It's a for loop because this is now an array with those things. So for I equals 0, I is less than for each. Oh man, okay. I keep going to the basics every time. For each. We used for each yesterday. How do we use for each? So it'll be text conversion dot for each. Yeah, let's look it up. For each JavaScript. Yeah, so array dot for each. Maybe I do need a thing, huh? For nope, no. Please do not use a for loop. I hate them. They use this. Not really, but not good for arrays. Okay. Okay. Hey, what's up, Bo? Welcome back. How you doing? I feel called out. How's it going? I call everyone out, man. People like to lurk, but I'm like, no lurking. Maybe we should put that in the thing. Say hello, no lurking, man. Make me feel like I'm learning with other people. Alright, I'll have to use a for each function. Yeah, we can do that. So for each, I was going to use element. Okay. I'm going to do a regular one first, and then see if we can convert it to the arrow function afterwards. Oh, it's too many ones. Okay, let's get rid of that. For each element, wait, I need to do a for each within a for each. Oh, there you go. Items, item 1, item 103. Before you do let iserize items length. Instead of that, I can just go items for each function item. Copy. Just have someone make this weird animation. If I'm kind of skirting on the outside. If I put my thing on it, what does it do? Let me see. I'm gonna read and then put my cursor on top. See if I can figure it out. So, bunch of divs. That doesn't do anything. They just grow. Animate across. Shrink across. Forwards. Shrink up. Ease and ease out. Oh man, okay. Alright, ready? Whoa. Oh, I like how they shrink back down and like it's kind of satisfying watching them like go back down. Yeah, that's cool. Yo, this is sick. It's definitely fun to play around with for sure. Alright, I'm gonna add this to my collection, man. We'll put it in here. I don't know if you're in this chat, Bo. Yeah, feel free to join. And then we can put it in projects showcase. Boom. Okay. Where were we? I was learning how to do right. Converting a loop for each. Okay, text conversion for each, and then in here, go okay for each. Can I do that? Okay. I think I'll get it. Text conversions of for each element. I need you to then go element in the 0th position equals okay. I have no idea if this is gonna work. Man, I'm gonna use the regular stuff and then convert it back to for each because I'm having a hard time seeing what it actually does. So alright, whatever. So if I go let I equal 0, I is less than the length of something dot length. Okay. So within those, so text conversion. It wouldn't be the minutes. It would be the ith position. So the text in the ith position, I wanted to convert it to uppercase, right? So dot to uppercase, something like that. Let's test it out real quick. just console log. That did nothing. Okay, I mean that does work. It does make it uppercase, but okay, what am I missing? I'm missing something where I'm not assigning to somewhere maybe. Text conversion, da da da. So loop for each of them. Actually, it's not going to work as a string. I would need to convert that into. Would I have to split this into a thing first? Yeah, I think so. So if I. Okay, so if we say string equals hello, some random thing, and then text conversion equals, we're actually going to split that to string dot split. Right, that should split all of that into an array, and then loop within the array. Okay, it's actually making every single thing capital. So yeah, actually we don't want to loop. We do not want to loop. What we want to do instead. Now we would want to loop when there's multiple letters, but when there's just one, in this case. So if you had like hello, hello Bo, Bo's in the chat. So hello Bo. Actually, let's make B small and this capital like that. String to split, and we want to split it using a space, right? And then text conversion. Wait. Okay. Okay, so we split that into an array with 2 items, and then for that, I want you to loop through that. So go through hello and that. So in the first position, which is I. So I need to split this again. Oh wait, how did we do that yesterday? So now we can still do that. We can still do it. So we convert it here, and then I want to target the first letter, and then make. I don't need that. Oh, do you know what? I think right. So you would loop through text conversion, the ith position, 0th. I mean, that should work. Unexpected number. Yeah, what's going on? No. Okay, so if I had to do it manually, so it would be text conversion, 0th position, which is hello, equals. Five MP4. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Text conversion. What's the goal of this thing again? It's super simple, man. It's take a set of strings and then turn into a title case. And I started learning just a few days ago. I want to say keep up the work. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Hope your learning is going well too. If you want to stick around, we've got some pros in the chat who's been helping me out. It's Rems, aka Nico, is a pro. We'll have a bunch of people jump on later on too. Like, yeah, man, let's learn together. Where are you learning it? You're a pro, man. 100%. Are you learning online, like through a tutorial, or how are you learning it? Amigos YouTube code channel. Okay, cool. 4-hour tutorial. Let's say I'm an actual dev, 100%. Thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate that. All right, let's see if we can. I don't know how much you've learned on that tutorial, but let's see if we can do this together. So, Nico, here's my idea, right? I wanna. So maybe like, I don't know, random cases. Convert all strings into lowercase, which this should do, and then take that and then split it by space. So it's gonna split this into an array with, in the 0th position, first positions, second, so on and so forth, and then loop through each position, and for that position find the first letter and capitalize it. Right, that's what I'm trying to do. And then once it's capitalized, I don't know if I'm going to need slice or not, but once it's capitalized, join them back together into a string. One of VC. What's VC? Voice something, no? Voice channel. Yeah, I spent way too much on this. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let me pause the music. Where are you? How do I add you? Nico. Oh, you.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, man?
So,
All
yeah.
right.
So the thing is, you're on the good path. You're already getting all the words, and then separating them into, putting them into fucked up. What did I want to say? Having just an array of the words. But what you could do is because it's kind of a bitch to replace stuff inside of an array, right? Like you can't just usually. I mean, if I'm not wrong, I don't think I've never done it, and I don't think it's possible to just say, oh, I'm looping through element 55 of my array. Let's make it something else. You can't because
Right.
the array being a just a simple array doesn't really have a position structure. Like in an object, you could do it, but then with this, you can't. So what you would want to do is simply just make another array for the finished words, right?
Okay. Let's.
So like,
Mhm. I'll make it here. So let's finish words. Let's just an empty array.
yep. And then instead of doing text conversion I is equal to text conversion I to uppercase, you would just you could replace text, just make it a constant. So make it like, I don't know, replace text conversion I by, I don't know, constant upper,
Wait, what's const upper? Is that what we said?
before that, before the equal. So redefine it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you could reduce. And now you just push that upper into um
You can just use reduce. What's reduce?
yeah, that is true. Reduce would work.
What does it do?
So what
I
you're
don't understand.
saying is reduce is you're taking an array and you're basically um, getting something out of that array, and you're basically it's a bit like splicing it or like joining it, but then you actually have a function doing something and not just joining the individual stuff. So let me fire up like, I don't know, Google blank page or whatever. So console. I'm going to cheat because I already know what I want.
Yeah, I don't think I've actually learned the reducer thing yet. Reduce.
And then
Maybe I have.
I can answer that five before. Um, my usual thing to go to is find any sort of project and just try and make something. So my biggest, if you're using Discord, the funniest thing to do is make a Discord bot. It's literally the funniest shit ever because you're making stuff that your friends can see. I mean, anyone can see, anyone can use, and you're writing stuff that is just textual, but then you also are handling a lot of stuff. You're handling data about channel users, usernames, You're just learning a whole lot of structure, and you can go far with that. You can actually become a really good developer just by making one Discord bot, or you can make a website, or just find anything you could find useful. You have to find something that you would want yourself to have. And like for example, I started coding because I wanted to make a video platform. So I made a video platform, and that's literally how I did. Like I just found the stuff I needed, and because you're going to be like, oh, I want to make a website that has a title. I mean, I don't know, like has a big text, and I want that text to change based on the user's country. And you're gonna and get, I don't know, like find something that gets me quotes about some country. And you're gonna say, so I need to get my user's country thing. So you need to use the browser meta and shit. So you're gonna like find that country ID, and then you're gonna find an API that enables you to get any quotes from any country and a random one, or you're gonna make them yourself, and you're gonna each time you're gonna make, I'm gonna take that one from France, and I'm gonna put it, and then I'm gonna output it, and I need to show it, and that's like the dumbest shit ever. Like nobody would actually want that, but you get what I mean, because you're gonna think, oh, I want to make something, and because the biggest thing about code, and I've repeated this like I don't know, probably 3 times already on this stream, I mean on this channel, is you don't want to learn how to you don't want to learn how to code on its own. You want to learn how to make something with your code, because it's good if you know how to code. Obviously you do need to know how to code, but if you just know by like if you just studied the book basically, and you're going to be asked make me a website, you're going to be like make me what? Yeah, solve problems, exactly. That will gain you like so much experience, like so much more than just learning. The learning when you're getting started in coding and you've had no notion is actually really good, because you're actually, in this example, you're actually you need to solve a problem, and that's what making you learn. Even though the problem is kind of fucking stupid and you're never going to use it, it is making you solve something with what you've learned. Yep, you're welcome. Yeah, I kind of lost you. I mean, I kind of left you hanging there.
Oh, good man.
So
Trying to
yeah, what I
figure
was
out.
thinking, because reduce, I tried doing something with reduce, and it's kind of a bitch. Um, for some reason.
All good, man. All good. We're all here to learn.
So what I was thinking, now you need to make, so you have got your text version, right? Um, so that, so first of all, you're not going to want to do two uppercase, because your goal is to have it be the first letter that's uppercase. What two uppercase does is just like full caps, basically. It just makes it full uppercase, and
Yeah.
you want each word. So what you're gonna want to do, and I'm not gonna tell you the exact answer, is take the first character, make that lowercase, uppercase, and then have the rest be lowercase. So just the rest of the string, right?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, you're even gonna want to make it lowercase. So you need
Yeah.
to
First thing would be low.
get the first.
I mean, it makes a lowercase here, right? Already. The string converts the string into lowercase.
Okay, so you're making, okay, great, great. Okay, so you don't need to make that. So you just want to make it so that remove the line you currently have on the line 11. So just remove that, because
All of that.
not really gonna need it.
Okay.
Just the line 11, like in the for loop. And inside of that, you're gonna want to make, as I said, a constant, because it's gonna be easier to read. You just want to name it, and I don't know, name it done, because that's usually when I name stuff that I don't know how to name.
Okay.
And that constant done is going to be equal to, and now you need to assemble first letter uppercase and the rest lowercase. So you've learned yesterday that you can take a part of a string by using the substring function. I mean, you've not learned that yesterday, but you've used it yesterday.
Yeah.
And you can just give it the, so you already know that for the rest of your word, all you really need to do is say substring and give me anything after the first string. I mean, after the first letter, right? So that could be your second part. So I'll make you. I'll let you do that. I won't say anything
Mm-hmm.
else.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So substring from first position onwards, because then that would be the rest of string.
Yeah,
Got you.
exactly. So that will give you, that should give you, and you can also use sub str. You don't need the ring at the end. The ring.
Oh, subset. Okay. But I still need to
And
capitalize the
now,
first word.
yeah, and so yeah, you need to get the first character. So I'm gonna, we're gonna cheat, and I'm gonna tell you what you can use for that. You can use something called char at, which just gives you the character at the position. And what we want is a character at the first position. So we take we have also let's make two constants because you for now you don't actually have this. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna be a bitch. I'm gonna be annoying. I'm gonna want you to change your for loop by a for each loop. I know you
Okay.
hate them, but they're useful for a reason. Is that instead of having to manually get, so basically you're doing a for loop, you're getting the position at which you are, and now you need to find, you still need to take the position from the array and make it into something. Cool thing about for each is it's instantly going to give you the value of where you're at, right? So instead of having to use the encapsulating I to find where you are in the array, it just allows you to do poof, you got your string.
Okay.
So do it before that. So you keep your for loop as long as you need to. Okay, you can also do it this way. Okay, yeah. So it needs to be text conversion dot for each because you're taking an array and you're making it for each of that array,
For each.
right? And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna you can keep some of your code. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the opening parenthesis from your let where's the let thing. So you delete what you just did, basically. It's quite difficult to explain.
Get rid of all of that.
Uh, yeah, okay, that would loot. And now you need to name your oh fuck, that's not even gonna do it. So you also need, because calling for each is a function, right? And for each takes in a function. So you need to call for each and then give it your function, which means that you're gonna want another opening parenthesis just after the keyword for each.
Mm-hmm.
And you're not going to want to close it now. You're going to want to close it on line 12. So you're going to remove one of those closing ones and put it on line 12 at the end of it all.
Okay. So there's okay.
And now you have your thing, but you still need so either you can use the function keyword because you're naming your function. I mean, just having a function, or you can use an arrow function. So after your closing parenthesis, you can just do the array thing, the arrow thing. Fuck, I can't talk. Sorry.
Oh, good. Okay. Arrow. I'm still confused
Yeah,
about.
just like that.
Yeah.
And now you want to name you want to name your position. So I would do, so inside of the opening and closing parentheses, right? On line 10, just after the for each and the two opening parentheses.
Yeah.
Yep, there. You're going to want to say, I would use word because that's one word, right? And then you could replace your str.substring by word because you want to use that position.
Okay. Yeah.
And now you can use char at. Char at is used by calling string.char at. So it's a function of a string. So you could just do word.char at
Oh,
and
okay.
then give it 0 because you want the first, and obviously because it's coding, the first is 0.
Yeah. I need to convert this to capital
And
first.
that's also a function. So you're using for now you're using the fancy bracket things. You need parentheses for that.
Oh, you mean here? Okay.
Yeah, there we go. And now you can, because you got that first character, you can just do dot to uppercase. And then you want to push done into the finished words array. Yep. And now if you just return array.join at the end of your function, and you just use a space to join them.
Okay. Array to join.
I mean, yeah, the finished words array.
Join with a space. Yeah.
Yeah, you mistype finished words too.
Finished words.
You missed the I after thin.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Why doesn't it want your return though? That is because yeah, okay, you need to go one line down because you're putting your return on the same line as something else. Yep, that will work, and that should do it.
Sweet. Oh man, there's so much. Okay, let's try and digest what just happened here. Okay, converting into a lowercase, got an empty array, splitting that into an array, and then we're looping through each array through the words, finding the first character, turning to uppercase plus substring 1. So anything after the first character.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, and then we're pushing that into an array, which is finished words, and we're just returning it by joining it.
What you could have done, but I haven't made you do it because you're using array already, is you could have just made a string, an empty string, and add to that string, and just do the plus equal thing, and add the done. But what's not cool about that is that you're gonna end up with extra spaces.
Okay, that's not good.
No, actually, you're not. Yeah, you kind of are.
I can.
Someone made a fiddle.
Hey, what's up, bud? All right, check it out.
Okay, so word 0. See, my problem with that is it's not really easy to read. It's a lot of chaining. It's a lot of. It's a good implementation, right? Like, totally.
Yeah, I have no
Totally
idea what that's
fine,
doing.
but
I have no idea
yeah,
what that's doing. Split, reduce, word. Words plus, word 0 to uppercase.
like when you're a bit more advanced, for sure. But
Oh, there's notes here, right? Call split of spaces to transform into an array of words. Call reduce to manipulate each word. Okay. Yeah, reduce, split, trim. I don't think I've ever used it. No, we use split. Substring was yesterday. I have no idea what that is. Query selector. Cool. Now I appreciate that, bro. Definitely gonna. I think I need to add these things to review afterwards and see like, hey, does this make sense to me? Because right now, even though I'm reading it, it's still like way over my head. Okay. Are you still here? Maybe you left the chat.
yeah, I am.
You're here. Okay.
But I'm probably gonna leave you so you can have your music and shit.
Yeah. All right. Cool, man. Thanks for jumping on.
You're welcome. See you
Catch
later.
you back in the
We'll be
chat.
in chat.
Yeah. All right.
Yep.
Hey, music's back. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna add it here. So read right, I'm gonna add Bo's code in there, and we'll definitely take a peek. But okay. How did they implement it? For in look at this guy, they're using rejects. Dot okay string, string lowercase, dot replace. Oh, there you go. This is the map Bo was talking about. Man, okay. Maybe I need to go revisit the stuff I learned, because a lot of this is just like, well, I've never learned any of these. Map, replace. Alright, cool. Let's just move on to the next one. But I may have to do more reading on the side. Yeah, okay. Alright, what we're doing here, scripting slice and splice. You're given two arrays and an index. Copy each element of the first array into the second array in order. Okay. Begin inserting elements at the end index of the second array. Return the resulting array. The input array should remain the same after the function runs. Okay. So we're copying this into here, and the copy starts at this position. Okay, yeah, I think that should be fairly straightforward. This is going to use, I think it's going to use what we used yesterday. Hang on, we did something similar, right? Convert string, find the longest. Yeah, we repeated it yesterday. Do not use a built-in repeat method. Oh man, what did we do in this? I know we did this yesterday. What did we do? Oh, we just concatenated it. Okay, so I think we can just push this array, but starting from this position. Let's see. Unshift is at the end. Splice. Oh, there you go. Slice is what we need to use. Copies or extracts. They give a number of elements into a new array, leaving the array. Yeah, that's exactly what they want. Wait, is that what we're doing? Just use slice with the two thing? Iterative. That's for the answer from earlier, right? Okay. Const mixed case, empty array mixed case dot split. Yeah. Grab each word into an array. For I equals current word equals word array I. Grab each fragment of the word we need. So const first letter equals, yeah, const remainder of word, current word dot substring. Yeah. Replace current word equals first letter dot to uppercase, so first letter be in the 0th position, plus remainder of the word, which is everything after that, to lowercase. And then pushing it into the array, and then just joining it with the space. Damn, okay, that's a good implementation. So this is the one that I was attempting to do before the for each. Yeah. See, I would have been tripped up on creating all these constants. Wait, what's going on? What's happening in Discord? Someone's going off. Who's going off, man? What am I missing? Someone's on Discord, no? General. You can mute the servers. I don't know which one's going off though. I don't hear anything. Alright, whatever. We'll just mute everything. Until I turn it back on. Oh, it's Rocket Place. Mute servers for, yeah, let's say 8 hours. Okay. Yeah, so this is the initial idea I had, but I would have been tripped up on this section here, bro. Current word. That current word equals grab each fragment of the word we need. Yeah, that's interesting. I would have I don't think I would have used these. I would have probably just tried to make this like current word and then 0. I probably would have tried to do that, which, yeah, okay, cool, thanks for this. Alright, so what are we doing here? We're just slicing it, copies or extracts given a random to new array. I think we're just doing a slice and a start and an end position. Takes 2 parameters. Yeah, no problems in line in. I broke it apart to make them readable. Right. Awesome. Okay, array 1 equals 1, 2, 3. Right, array 2, say 4, 5, 6. And then if I do array 2 dot slice. Okay, it's actually gonna so maybe array 2 dot push. See, the problem with push, it doesn't give me a starting position. I think there was a way to push. I feel like we're gonna do something like this, but we can't do slice from start. Okay. It's actually pushing the entire thing. Okay, that's not good. Where's our notes gone? Okay. Yeah. Shift, unshift is one of those. So this adds at the beginning. Pop removes. That's not it. Or maybe you can combine a bunch of stuff, right? Begin inserting from N. So like I don't know. Let or const, whatever let. Initialize a final array and then, or maybe not even, maybe it just be a, can it be a one-line answer? So arr2 dot push, I'm not sure what push, let's see, push, actually let's not do that. So if I did push, begin inserting here. Okay. Before we do that, why does this not work? Array2 equals Alright, I'm going to run a stream tomorrow. Alright, man. Sounds good. Thanks for hanging out. Have a good night and good luck. I'll see if I can join the stream, but it depends how what time I wake up and what time work is. But yeah, man. See you later. GIHF. Good luck, HF. Alright, okay. Have fun. Thanks, man. Alright, let's see if we can figure this out. Given two arrays and an index, copy, starting from position N. Okay, so we could do a for loop and then push array ar1 I into array ar2, right? So that's gonna, I think that's actually gonna push it, but I need you to start pushing from here. So what we could do instead, so before we push, I guess we could slice. So slice ARR2 from the end position. So if it's the first, so that is so start from 0 until n. So that's gonna extract all of that. Right. So we got the starting part of the array plus slice array maybe plus ARR1, something like that, plus slice ARR2 from the nth position. Right, maybe something like that. If you look at how Bo did the other thing earlier, yeah, something. No, sorry, substring, not slice. Right, maybe something like that. So we got the ending, we got the start of array 2, and then we're just gonna add array 1 in the middle. I think that could work. Simple Spare, what's up, man? Welcome back. Welcome. All right. Okay, we're gonna initialize an empty array. Let's say I don't know, just start for maybe 3 different ones. So we create so, and then yeah, maybe not. And then final array equals start of the array would be ARR2 dot substring the nth position it would be 0 n. Think. And the n would be substring is only on strings. So it would be sliced then, I guess. So 0 and n, is that? Probably gonna slice or splice. Okay. Got it? Okay, cool. And then ARR2 dot slice, and this one would be anything after the nth. N and then onwards, right? So we got these two. I want to see if that actually works. So if we have AR2 equals 1, 2, 3, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 or whatever. Let's say second position. Okay. Okay, yeah, that does work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We split it. So okay, so that works. And now in the middle, we want to add the array 1. So I just need to and then stick it all together somehow. Okay, I think we're close. So final array equals, how do you, so you can't concatenate like a, so push adds it to the end, right? Maybe ARR1. I don't know if I can run 3 different ones at the same time. ARR, and then we'll push and final. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not. Final array dot. What was the other one? Not. What was the opposite of shift? Unshift. Dude, I got no idea it's gonna work. And then return. Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, so I mean, we've got the thing. So basically, it's going to be start plus end. I need to somehow make it to start final array plus ARR1 plus. Okay. That's what I need to make it do. How do I do it? Each of them is an array. So what does array have? Array has individual things. Maybe I can just loop, right? And then just push one at a time. But push adds it to the end, right? I don't know, let's try it. So for I'll try the iterative method and then we'll try and convert it to the for each after the fact. What would I be iterating through though? So when I tried to push it, it didn't quite work. Let's see. So I don't think. Okay, I'm just being real. I don't think it's cheating if I look into how to do stuff, because I'm guessing if I was doing this in real life, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't mind cheating, right? I could find stuff and sort of learn on the. That's me rationalizing me trying to look up like similar answers. But push array into array, whatever. We'll just do it. Yeah, push cows. We didn't count. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah. Okay. So okay. So if I loop through. Okay. So for. Let's say for it, let I equals 0, I is less than. What do I want to push first? Let's say n final array. N final array. The length. So final. I guess return final array dot push end final array and then the ith position, right? So that should push. So it doesn't like that. Okay, so this should push. What does this do? This should push the n final array, in which case it's going to be anything after n into the array. So it's going to go towards the end. Once that is done, I then want to. Yeah, maybe do 2 shifts afterwards. So how do I connect like 3 different. Maybe I don't know if I can do that. Maybe I'll just have 3 of these, and each time this is going to be ARR1, push ARR1 into. It won't be push, it'll be unshift. And then this one's going to be. Wait. Yeah. So this will be start final array. I don't know if that works. Let's see. Kind of. I don't know what this did. Okay. Final array is undefined. Well, I can't do that because it's outside the scope. Why? Because it's outside of the scope. Okay, so it's still undefined. Why is it undefined? Final array. Is it because it reinitializes into nothing every time? Something? Still no. Okay, final array says it didn't actually do anything. Start, end, return. Still undefined. Of course it's undefined. I haven't even called any functions yet. Oh man. It's one of those days. Alright. We'll do that. And then we'll pass this in. That's fantastic. Okay. Frankenspice, there we go. So final array would then be 5. Final array would be 5. Sorry, what? Final array is 5. So it's just 5. Don't think I can call that there. So okay, let's. Oh. One. Final array is 5. Start is 4. And all right, okay. So what is it? Is it doing what we want it to do? Final array is 5. That doesn't make sense, but let's see. Start final array is 4. Okay, n is 1. So we got array 2 with 4, 5, 6. So 1 would be this position. Okay, why is it not taking the 0? What was that? Streamlabs, why are you going open? The end array. There are 2 slices at n. So this one's good. So it's taken from n position everything down there, but it's not doing anything before that. So if I give it a 0, which is a starting position, it should have given me actually no, I think it is doing it. So 4, yeah, 4 is that. I think it's working. 4, 5, 6. But it's not doing the pushing stuff. Okay, if I did find an array, let's set it back to that. Array dot push and final array. Alright, what are we missing? Hey, what's up, James? What are we missing? How you doing, man? Yeah, you. What's going on? I'm missing something. What am I missing? I think the slice and the... So this is fine. But now I just need to figure out how to put all of that into an array. Derpin? How do we... let's see. I'm just gonna Google it. Concatenate. Concatenate is probably not a word. Concatenate arrays. Let's see. Oh, there's a concat method. Hey, look at that. Array1 dot concat array2. Hang on. Yeah, I'll just go. So it would be final array. Would it be final array? It would be. No, it would be arr2 dot concat. Wait. Yeah, concatenate and final array. Okay. Probably wouldn't even need a full thing, just be return. Something like that. Hey, look at that. 45656. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. We're close. But Okay, we wouldn't do array 2, we would do array 1. Yeah, it'd be array 1. Let's refresh this page. That will be array 2. Yeah, so do that. There we go. 10356, and then we would then do start. Let's say let's see, final array equals start final array. Do you know what? We don't have that. Okay, let's see if this works. Let final array 1 equals concat. Yes, we're gonna concat the final array. See if that works. Start final array is not defined. Of course, it's not defined because it's within the thing. Okay. Alright, start again. I don't think I can add a plus, can I? Can I just concatenate? I don't think I can. Let's see. Concatenate. Maybe there's an example. We concatenate multiple ones. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Concatenate number 2, number 3. Interesting. So number 1 is 1 to 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I would need to do is put array 1 in the middle, and then maybe. Maybe so. But it would add it after the fact. So no, we're gonna need start final array dot concat, and then just add no, sorry, it'll be ARR1. I hope this works. Okay. Yo, I think that's it. Okay. I think that's it. All right, let's test it out. I think that's it. It's doing something. Final array. Okay. Oh, it doesn't like it because of that, maybe. Hey, yo! Oh my god. Dude, we did it. Oh my god, that took... Okay. Bo, I don't know if you're still in the chat, man. Dude, that was sick. Oh my god. Man, I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like, this doesn't make any sense. Oh my god. I'm hyped. Thanks, guys. I am hyped. Dude, that thing... we went off on tangents, like looking at that. But... yeah, okay, cool. That was cool. How would you do it differently? James and Bo. Before I look into other implementation, like what would you do? Let's see. Return error to the slicer and concat array 1 or 2. Okay, so it's basically the same thing, but in okay, right? It's the same thing. I've just got it in a longer form, kind of. Array 2 dot no, slightly different. So I put 0 and n. You did n. No, what did you do? Yeah, so that is that. And you concatenate array 1. Right, so that's the start. You concatenate array 1, which we did here. And then n final array, which is this. You've got it as array 2 and array to the length. Interesting. Yeah. I don't understand why. Okay, let's just try and think this through, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Get the start before the end position, and then concatenate array 1. Yeah. And this is the ending bit. Array 2 does array 2 does slice. Slide from the end position until the end. Oh, I don't think you actually need that. I think you can just put n and still work. I think. I don't know. Let's see. I may be wrong, but I don't think you need the length. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool. Yeah, you just did what I did in one line. Okay. Okay. Alright. Yeah, neat. That's neat, man. Awesome. Let's see what else they did. Two solutions. Wow. Okay. They have got a local array equals array 2 to slice. Alright. I0 ARR1, so iterating for ARR1, local array to splice. Yeah, no idea what that is. I'll go to make elements for ARR1. So using slice function, we can create an exact replica of array 2 and assign the result of the operation to a variable. Okay, yeah. For each item in the first array, we can use a splice. So local array to splice n0. What are these arguments though? What is that argument? So splice. What is that? 1, 2, 3. Start, delete, count, and items. Okay, start, delete, count, items. So local array display start, delete nothing, and then items, n plus plus. Yeah, I don't quite get that. Let's see. That's even a simpler thing. What is oh, it's not slice, it's splice. Yeah, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Well, nope, that's not true. Array splice, I see. New item to be okay. Oh man, that's it. I get it now. Okay, so basically, it's saying get a variable, copy it, and then into that copy thing, splice this, meaning start at this position, don't delete anything, and just copy ARR1. So if you have 456, and if it was 1, then at the fifth position, go in there and just add array 1. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So the second one makes sense. The first one is still iffy. Actually, it's doing the same thing. Instead of .ARR, it's just doing each loop, each item within the loop, and then push that. Yeah, I think that's what it's doing. Damn, okay. Okay, cool. Let's close this out. Yeah, that can go. We got 75%. All right, do we tackle another one, or should we call it a stream? I don't know. What are you guys saying? Guess we'll do one more. Yeah, let's do one more. Falsy bouncer. Remove all falsy bouncer or all falsy values from an array. What are you talking about? Falsy values in JavaScript are false, null, 0, nothing, undefined, and not a number. Hint: try converting each value into a Boolean. Okay, I think we'll stand up for a bit. Alright, I'll BRB, man. I'll be right back in like 2 minutes. Alright, back. I am back. Oh crap, what's going on? Oh, I see you back. What's going on, man? Alright. Got a function bouncer that takes an array. Falsy. Try converting each to a Boolean. False, no. Convert to a Boolean. How do you convert it to? Okay, I think for one, I think it's gonna need let's write code, right? I think we're gonna have to iterate through each item in the array and then do some kind of check to see if the I item is false. Falsy. If yes, maybe we could do create a, I don't know, initialize an array. Yeah, initialize an array, iterate through each item, do some check if it's falsy, then if true, then array dot push, else do nothing. Right? Yeah, I think that would work, but I don't know how you would. How would you check if it's Boolean? Type off is one way. JavaScript values are false, no Boolean value. Boolean value, what is that? Let's see. Oh damn, look at that. I didn't know that was a thing. Oh, interesting. So everything is false apart from true. Well, I guess that's the whole point of true or false. Boolean. So is Boolean a method? So I would go arr.i. Hang on, arr.i. No, Boolean. So maybe something like Boolean, and then within this, arr.i. And then if this, and if this returns true, then push it. If not, do nothing. Maybe. Equals true or something like that. Maybe I might be onto something here, but we might be onto something here. We might be onto something here. All right. Yeah, you don't have to compare Boolean to something. I don't. It's already true or false. Oh yeah. Okay. I think it might be. So initialize an array. Let. I don't know if it's not false either. True Z, I guess. True Z is an empty array. We can also maybe turn on. Whatever. Let's go for. Oh, is if Boolean arr, right? Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. So if you do for that, I is less than arr dot length I plus plus, and then right here would be what you just said. If Boolean arr the ith position. Yeah. So if that, then true Z dot push the I into it. Else do nothing. And then okay, is working. Is the return gonna go here? Return true Z. Is that it? No, it's not. It's not. Okay, I'm missing something. The common nomenclature is truthy, by the way. Okay, truthy. Thanks. Truthy. Let's change it. What am I missing? If Boolean is true, truthy dot push the I. What am I missing? Actually, we got the comment. Is this to let's do some kind of check. That's that part. If true, we don't know. Else do nothing. Do I need an else? Is that, oh, it needs to be under line. Nope. Else do nothing. You are returning inside your loop. Move it down. Even down than this, like somewhere here. But that would be outside. Oh, it is outside. So maybe I can. Hey, look at that. A, B, C. Maybe I'm misunderstanding the thing. So if it's false, no, 0, then don't add it. But if it's anything else, add it. But then, yeah, it should still work. Am I pushing it right? Truthy dot push. Pushing I instead of value. Oh. Oh. Yes. Man, yes. Where's my return gone? Hey, okay, cool. Alright, I had a big help from you on that though. So okay, we gotta do one more because that was kind of cheating. Alright, here's mine. Return filter. Whoa, what is filter? ARR filter. Wait, that needs to go within the loop. You're missing the return. Oh. Wait, what's this? Why have we got two? The hell? Oh, maybe that. Oh no, return error. Yeah, where does truthy come from? God damn, okay. Okay, why does that work? What is filter? Is this something I'm gonna learn as part of the object-oriented programming stuff? Let me see. Because I've got these two coming up next. Hey, look at that filter. That's coming next. I'm gonna learn the filter thing. I don't know. Maybe it'll take me 2 days from now. Maybe 3 days. Oh, so you were talking about map, filter, reduce stuff? Yeah, I haven't even got into those. I'll get into those in a few days. But cool. Yeah, okay. Let's take a peek now. Why it's working. So result equals words dot filter word dot length 6. The filter method creates a new array with all the elements that pass the implemented. Pass the test. What's the test? Test is anything but higher than 6. 6 length looks like. Word what the length is greater than 6. So this is the test. This is pass the word. I think this, you can type anything here and it's gonna kind of loop for each of those. And then for each of those, check if this is true. If true, then filter, which means create a new array. I think that's how that reads. Filter is a function which takes a function as an argument and applies the function to each of the elements in this array. And then it returns the array where each element returned true. Right, okay. Nice. Nice. So ARR filter the function and check if f is Boolean. If it is, then push it or create or to return it. Yeah, cool. Thanks. Yeah, that makes sense. All right. Wait, how many are we on? It's 3 a.m. but we got 3 more. I feel like we should just finish this off, and then tomorrow we go into OOP. What do you think? What do you say, man? Do you want to do this? I'm just gonna turn my diffuser on. Yeah, I might as well finish this off, man. Whatever, let's just do it. Okay, so where do I belong? Where do you belong? Return the lowest index at which a value, which is the second argument, should be inserted into an array once it has been sorted. Lowest index at which a value should be inserted into an array. The return value should be a number. What? For example, get index to insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 5 should return 1 because it is greater than 1. But less than 2, which is index 1. 1 to 5. Okay. Likewise, 23, 5, 19 should return 2. Because once array has been sorted. So you sort it in a ascending order and then see where it needs to go. So in this case it would be 3, 5, 15. 3, 5, 15, 0, 1, 2, so it'd be 2. Does it go after that? Greater than 5. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, I think I get what the question's asking, but how the hell do I do that? Let's see. Okay, let's see. So let's get rid of that. So we need to loop. I think we got to loop through the. Okay, the only way I know we did something similar was initialize a max value somehow. Right, I don't know. Initialize max to 0. Let's see. I don't know if this is gonna work. Loop through the items in the array. But that would return the highest thing. So push would add it to the end. I don't know, maybe yeah, loop through, find the highest, find the. Should we get the highest or lowest? So if you put the lowest in, let's say, let's say it's 23.5. Just gonna loop through that and be like, okay, how is it gonna know? Because I would have to loop through each one of them to find the lowest one. That wouldn't work because okay. Okay, what the heck? How do you sort an array like that? How do you do it? How do you do that? Okay. So first thing is sort the elements in the array in ascending order, and then loop through the item. See if I don't know if I would it I mean it needs to check the number before and after it, right? So if it see if the number well, what is that? Is that the answer for this one, or is something else? Because if it is, I'm not gonna open it just yet. Nope. Alright, perfect. Oh, for the filter, huh? Sweet. X equals 1 filter is a function that lives on arrays, so we add our own filter. Demonstrable filter. Okay, under the hood. X dot our own filter equals function test. This is basically what you wrote. Let array elements equals this. Let result equal empty array for I equals 0 is less than array elements to length. Okay, I plus plus. The only difference is that test is a function. Which returns a true or false. Okay. This is all the high order functions are. Functions which call functions that were given n as arguments. So if I'm gonna have to go back and read again. Let's see. Function does that, yeah. So that's what test is. A function, that's a test. Array elements is this. Result is empty array. So for variable I is 0, array elements dot length I plus plus. So loop through that. Test is a function which returns true or false. Yeah. It's a function which call functions. Okay. So if test array elements that I, it's basically saying if that is result dot push that and return the result. So why do it? Because when you understand the underlying principles, the code becomes much smaller and more readable. So console log x dot run filter x greater than 4. Okay, okay. We don't know what test is, but we know it will return either true or false. Right. Test whether this is true or false. If true, push it. Okay, so all of that was basically doing this. The filter thing was doing that. So you can just call it with each element in an array and let the consumer worry about this. What's a consumer? Let the consumer. I've heard that word a lot, consumer. The person who uses the function. We don't know what test is, but we know it will return either true or false. So we just call it with each element and then okay. Okay, man, I kind of get it. I want to give it like 80, maybe 90% confidence score in terms of how much I understand. All right, let's read this. I'm gonna read one more time. Filter is a function that lives on arrays. Okay, so we're adding our own method to see what it does. So our own filter. Okay, I see what. I see what you're saying. So basically, yeah. So we're creating, instead of using like earlier, it was just extra filter. You created our own to show me what it's doing. All right. So what it does is it's a function that takes in a function as a parameter. Array elements is this. The result is what is this? This is that. I mean, that's not a variable, is it? Because if it was string, it'd be that. What is this JavaScript? Return this this is the in a method this refers to the owner object. In a function this refers to the global object. Oh. So this is a function right now, so that's a global object. Is that right? Whoa. Okay, anyway, this. Oh, it's that. The global object. Yeah. Okay. And let result equals 0 because it's going to loop through each one of those. The only difference is that test is a function, so it's going to see if each of those is true or false or whatever. This is all I will find the function for functions. Test array I plus result. Right, and okay. The test is whatever it's going to be. Is it greater than 4? It's going to loop for each one of those. See if it's a 4. But instead of writing all of that, we just do this. Okay, I think I get it. All right, sick. I need to man, this is awesome. I'm gonna add this as my notes. We'll probably get into it later. So next week when I start learning the functional thing. But this is dot filter. All right. Man, that is an amazing experience. I had to go through it multiple times, but I get it now. Yeah. I think I also need to refer to it a bunch of times until like I fully understand it. Or at least like every time I try to do it, I refer back to this and then see like multiple different examples of this being applied, and then it'll probably sink in. I think. I hope. All right, we are almost. Man, Bo, you are like you're very good at explaining stuff, man. It took me a while on that one because it's a new concept, but yeah, cool. Very cool. Okay. All right, I've got that in my notes, so we can get rid of that. So where do I belong? You would belong right in the middle here. Okay. How would I do that? I guess just a simple comparison. Is it greater than or less than somewhere? All right, okay. So if you had 40 and 60, and you loop through that, you initialize joy. Okay, let's get an array with that has a couple of things. You made a diagram. Okay. Oh damn, man. Okay. Programmer defines function. Programmer calls other function test function, which then calls a test function, which returns other function, which takes a function as a parameter, which then calls this function, which returns to other function, which okay. Man, all right, that's sick. Okay. Okay, that is going straight in the notes. function within a function that takes function that calls a function. Damn, very cool. Very cool. And looks like this would be very common in real life building stuff too, right? You're just creating functions and you keep calling them so you don't keep doing it all the time. It's a bit tricky to wrap it around, but once it clicks, it makes sense. Yeah, it's kind of there. I don't know what analogy to use, but like, yeah, it's kind of like I just walked into a steam room with glasses on. It's all fuzzy, but it's slowly starting to disappear. And I can see the shapes, and I know where the walls are. I know where the chairs are, but I can see it, but not quite yet. I hope that makes sense. So it started to click. Very cool. Okay. Man, how the hell would I do that? Well, before I even compare, I need to know how I can sort it in the ascending order. So if I had 23 and 5, how would I tell it put 3 first, and then put 5, and then 20? For it to know that, it needs to know. Okay, so if I loop through that, maybe. If I loop through that, and then I take 20, what do I compare it with? Is. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's say max is 0, and then loop through that. Loop through that, and then I just go, is 20 greater than 0? Yes. Cool. Add it to the array. Maybe array, something like that. Add it to array, and okay, push it to array, right? Cool. Second item, 3. Is 3 greater than? No. We need to do it. If 20, if yes, then assign it to max, and then push max to array, right? And then start again. Reinitialize max to 0. Yeah, you can be cheeky and just put in the value in the array, then sort it, and just find where the value is in the array. Put in the value in the array and sort it. Oh, right. Okay, so I'll just push that into this and then sort it instead of sorting and then trying to find it. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's clever. That's less work. Because then pushing is easy, right? Pushing it is easy. All right. Man, that's smart. Okay, cool. See, I would have been stuck here trying to figure out this for 20 hours and then figure out how do I find the middle position. Okay. All right. So push num into ARR, right? That can be done. That's easy. And then so we're gonna have num here. So max is 0. Whatever. We'll even do that maybe. Max is 0 loop. Nah, we need to do this loop. So basically within the curly braces, do all of that. Max is 0. Well, kind of. Loop through these. Max is 0. So first item is 20 greater than 0. Yes. If it is greater than the maximum, assign it to max. Yeah, okay, assign it to max, then push max into the array. So push is gonna push it at the end, right? End of the array, whatever. If it isn't, or like, I mean, if it's less than, or this would be like, well, in English, if less than max. Actually, it'd be that. Is 20 greater than max? Yes. Assign it to max, push the array. If less than max, maybe I don't even need to assign it to max. Maybe I can just. Anyway, okay, let's think of that afterwards. So if I say if less than max, then instead of push, I would do a unshift. So it goes at the beginning, or it goes before. Would that work? Before. Yeah. I don't know. Unshift to the array, maybe. Maybe. So, for example, so we have an array, right? This is a nice array. All right, let's make it bigger. This is our array. So, I want to see if I can loop it in my head. Well, here, 20. Is 20 greater than 0? Yes. Okay, cool. Push it. Boom. All right, go for it again. Initialize to 0. Oh, we're reinitializing it. That's not gonna work. No, we're not. We're assigning it to max, so this needs to be outside. Okay, 20. Cool. Push it. Go back. Pick number 3. And then now would be the second one would be is 3 greater than 20, because 20 should be the max. Is 3 greater than 20? No. So unshift. So add it in the front, right? Cool. Go back again. 5. So now it would be, and I don't know if this is making sense or not. Is 5 greater than 3? Yeah, that's not gonna work. Is 5 greater than 3? Yes, it is. So push it. You would push it here. That doesn't look very sorted to me, man. Okay, that doesn't work. Man, why are computers so stupid? Like, just compare it, bro. Just see, like, is it bigger, and then sort it. Like, come on. Maybe you need me to tell it everything. Like, all right, okay. I will keep it here for notes just to see what that look like, but that's not gonna work. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. All right, we're still gonna do that because that's smart, right? But now sort the array. How? The return value should be a number. Okay. Push into array, and then the final thing would be return array num. But I need to return the position. So if array of position x equals num, how would I change it for me to give it num and give me the position? Maybe there's a thing, array dot position or something. Is that kind of like type off or find position? Index off. Boom, boom. That's it. That's it. All right. Array index. I mean that's the easy part, right? Say index of num. Okay, great. So push num into array, get the index, but the middle, where all the magic happens, is I don't know how to do. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right, I should be able to come up with a second way, because this was complete garbage. Maybe not. Maybe there's something I missed by instead of initializing 20. Maybe instead of compare it to max, I need to compare it to the previous value. Right, so max equals I or something. So what would that look like? Is 20... Well, is 20 greater than 20? That's stupid. Like, no. Maybe we do initialize a 0 and then max equals I or something. But I don't want it to be right. Well, it's not within the loop, so it may work. Okay. Oh no, it also used to be. Does the plus plus I thing make sense? The previous value? I don't know. Whatever. I. Okay, let's see. Is 20 greater than 0? Yes, push it. So where's our array? Alright, let's bring this array. Yeah, let's bring it here. So let's go again. Is 20 greater than 0? Yes, push it. Cool. And then assign I to max. Okay, so this has to be max. Okay. Cool. Right, loop through. We didn't reinitialize, so max should now be high. So this should now turn into 20. Is 3 greater than 20? No. So put it in the front. And then, so now this turns into 3. This becomes 5. Oh, crap. Oh, what I should have done. 20 greater than 0. It's 3 greater than 20. There you go. And it's 5 greater than 3. Sorry, 3 went in front here. 5 greater than 3. Yes, it is, but push is not going to work. It's the same thing by the push. Still going to put it at the back. Oh, is that cheating? Like, is that the answer? Global object array sort. No, it's MDN. But it's going to tell me how to do it though. It says global objects array sort. Okay, let's take a quick peek. Yeah, it's telling me how to sort. It's telling. Oh, there's a sort method. Well, that's not really sorting it. 1, a million, and then look at that. Okay, like me doing this right now, is that considered cheating or is that part of learning? Because I feel like if I try to figure that out myself, or is that just dumb? Hey, what's up, Denivian? Don't invent an assorting algorithm. Always use a standard library if you can. Okay. And I doubt they expect you to write your own sort. Okay. Gotcha. One. I don't even know how many zeros that is. 10,000. That is sorted, right? How? Why? 2134. That does not look sorted. Sorting algorithms are non-trivial usually. Okay. Oh, we're sorting it by the first letter. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And it's doing 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I see what it's doing. Yeah, okay. I just caught that. Okay. I'm happy I caught that before I read your comment. Okay. It is string. Straight 1, A, 2, B. Yeah. Interesting. So here's where they're doing. JS is weird and will sort things like their strings. Yeah, even if they're numbers, like. All right. What's the best? Is this the best site to look up all of these stuff methods? Because yeah. Anyway, okay. Just trying to understand. So this is doing it correctly. What is it doing here? Var numbers. So got an array of numbers. Numbers does sort. Function AB. Return A minus B. What? what are you trying to find? I'm trying to do this. So what am I doing? Okay, so it takes this thing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm trying to sort this first. Well, the idea that Bo gave was like add this number into this, sort it, and then get index of this number. So right now I'm trying to figure out how to sort this. Well, this one's already sorted. That's a bad example. Here, 3, 10, and 5. So I need this to be 3, 5, and 10. And right now, I don't know how to do that. This here is doing it though. What's it doing? Function AB. What's AB? A minus B. Return A minus B. Okay, actually telling me to compare numbers instead of strings. The compare some function can simply subtract B from A. The following function will sort the array in a order if it doesn't contain infinity. Hey, what's good, Abs? How you doing? Why are you streaming so late? Bro, I'll work, man. I work from 12 to 10, sometimes 11. Not 12, sorry. 2 to 10 or 2 to 12. So like, I don't finish work until like 11 p.m. or midnight. And then I stream after that. Yeah, and then I go to sleep like 3 a.m. Wake up at, I don't know, midday, and then get to work. I've been trying to stay consistent though. I've been streaming almost every day. So in the last, I think it's day 12. In the last 14 days, I've streamed 12 days. So I missed 2 days. Like one day, I just felt dead, just went to sleep, and the other day, I don't know what happened. I think I had to do something else. You're nice, awesome, man, awesome. I'm catching up to you because I'm doing this every day, like 3 hours a day almost. It's crazy. I'm ahead of you now. I swear you were like way ahead of me like a week ago. Oh, that's funny. Alright, what is this doing? Let's see. I should probably read through this. It explains to me. If compare function is not supplied, all non-undefined array elements are sorted by converting them to strings. I was on basics. Oh wait, so you weren't ahead of me? You were just okay. So I was already ahead of you. Gotcha. Oh, someone had a pretty clever solution to this problem. Nice. So you're almost catching up to me then. Damn, you've been working in silence, making moves in silence, man. I see how it is. Yeah, I see how it is. All right, man. Man came here just to flex. It's like I almost caught up to you. I see it. All right, that's awesome, though, man. Not evil. I don't know, man. Okay. How do we? I think Bo is finding a solution. Yeah. Let's see. If compare function is applied, for example, banana comes before cherry. 9 comes before 80 because numbers are converted strings. 80 comes before 9 and all undefined elements. Okay, if compare, you can solve it with counting instead of sorting. Counting. Just count how many numbers in the array are bigger than your number and then position it there. Oh damn. Does it? Okay. It says one system sorted. Hopefully it doesn't look to be. Alright, okay. I think I might know how to actually implement that. Let's see. I don't know if I know or not. Let's see. We're gonna need a for loop for sure. I is 0. I is less than ARR dot length. So iterate through that. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna need a, let's say, const count equals. Okay, so it's gonna be 0 or 1. I don't know. Oh, but count those they are smaller, I guess. Alright, bro, I'm gonna sleep now. Wish I could watch a stream. Everyone's gotta work. Alright, man. Thanks for hanging out. On the weekends, I will stream more in our time, like 6 p.m., maybe even earlier. So, if not, come hang out on the weekends, man. Yeah. enjoy work or school, all that good stuff. I think you're still in school though, so all right, cool, sounds good. See you then. All right, count those that are smaller. Okay, so 2, 3, 5. So let's say in this example, 19 is 19 less than 20. Yes, 1. Is 19 less than 3? No. Is 19 less than 5? No. We're saying how many of these are less than that, right? Okay, is 20 less than 19? No. 3, yes. 5, yes. Second position, 0, 1, 2, 3. Boom. Yo, that's yeah, nearly finishing uni, couple months left. Nice. Do you have a grad job or like a placement or anything like that in the bag or no? I don't even know what the grad market is like now, man. Yeah, that makes sense. Is 19 less than that compass plus? That makes sense. Okay, count it. Yeah, we'll initialize as 0 and then if I might have to put count outside. I don't know. I'll try both. If now bro, I'm so behind. Did you do a placement or no? If everyone's above me, Roseanne, I'm trying to learn. Yes, look, okay. Man, that's exactly like how I was when I did my uni, man. I did nothing. Like, just didn't even go uni. Aragox22, what's going on? Welcome to stream. Man, I don't know if you were here when Denavian added the thing. Were you here? The compliment thing? Compliment CEO. You're a great example. Oh, dude, Denavian, we need to fix the bot. Abs just talked about how he hasn't done any uni work and he hasn't applied for. He's just learning JavaScript, and you just told him you're a great example to others. Oh man, I don't know about that. But you are catching up though, so which is that's a good example. That's good. Okay, sorry, what are we doing? Constant count. If num is less than I, right? Count plus plus. Look at that. It doesn't like it. Oh, it needs to be RRI. Still doesn't like it. Why doesn't it like it? Oh, because if has to be in parentheses. Right, and then we just do return count. Why doesn't it like it? Oh, we got that. Just get rid of all that. Surely I could apply for grad jobs in May. Yeah, I think so. I think you can. Yeah, it's only November, dude. It's yeah. January is when the initial deadline is, I think, for most companies. And then there's a second graduate intake in May time. Yeah, you can. Count is 0, no, right, plus count plus. Why doesn't it like that? Oh, I know why. Push num into RR. Oh, look at that. What am I missing, bro? What am I missing here? For I equals 0, actually, let's do the sort method. If compare function is applied or non-defined array is return according to the return value of the compare function. If compare function AB returns less than 0, sort A to an index lower than B, i.e. A comes first. All right, I'm gonna I'm gonna cheat here. I'm just gonna copy that in. Obviously, it's not gonna be numbers. It's gonna be return the index of num, maybe. Doesn't like that. Actually, I think it's not liking the fact that there's no closing of the function. Maybe something like that. What are we missing? What are we missing here? Oh, index of okay. Index of JavaScript. Oh, okay. Beast dot. Okay. I see what the problem is. So return. What's the problem here, boys? We got Homeless Waffle. What's up, man? It's a funny name. What's going on? I don't know why this isn't working. Function. Alright, let's see, right? So if we take that. Crap, what was it? Blank. How you about the blank. Can I just type? No. There we go. There we go. Okay, if we put that in, and we assign ARR equals, let's say 20, 5, 6, 13, 80, right? Let's sorted array equals that return sorted array. The legal return statement. Fantastic. Oh. What are we missing here? Let array is that. Let's also do let sorted array as whatever. Yep. Okay, so gonna get rid of that. There we go. Look at that. That's sorted. That's amazing. So we need to do basically, yeah. So basically that, and then yeah, that works. So if I copy that, let's put it in here. Right. We're not gonna have that. ARR is defined. We do need to push that in there. Need to let that in. Okay, let's see. So what will be missing? Let's order array equals an empty array. Push number into ARR, and then sorted array equals array yeah, we don't need two of those. Huh. What does that not work? Okay, we put that in, and then let's give it a test case. So this one right here. That should return a 3. -1. What do you mean? -1. Hey, what's up, Jay? What's going on? -1 doesn't make sense. ARR num sorted array. What are we missing here? What are we missing? Yeah, should be fine. Maybe I define it outside. Okay. Number array to sort compare numbers. Okay. Okay, I think I'm. So maybe I need to write two different functions out. Function that oh, I can't do that until it's pushed. Array number, array to push num, function compare numbers a b, return a minus b. Yeah. Okay, and then maybe sorted array equals arr dot sort compare numbers. Okay, it's passing some of the tests, but not all of them. So we are close. -1 though, why is it -1? Okay, maybe I don't need sorted array. So that still does the same thing, right? It's the same code. Yeah, okay, so I don't actually need to do that. But the problem here is it actually sorting it? So if I did yeah, I'm not really sure. Okay, I think I need a break, man. It's almost 4 a.m. Cool. Thanks everyone for hanging out. I don't know who's still in the chat. Yeah, thanks for hanging out. I will be back tomorrow and we'll continue this tomorrow because I've tried different thing. I think it's been an hour on this problem. Yeah, we'll continue tomorrow. See you later. Bye.